you cry, you shed your tears. Was not there to hold you when he let you go. All along I waited for a chance, just a little chance, that's all. 3 shades of red, and I can't even touch you. I was burning up inside. 3 shades of red, and I'm coming alive. You drove Maserati, you said I was a boy. Yeah, she got pretty hairdos while I went to Betty Ford. Now how can I forgive all the times that you forgot? I hopped my stereos for her and worked around the clock. 3, not 4, 5 or blue, and I can't even hold you, baby. I was burning up inside, it's not fair. I can count them on my fingers, 1, 2, 3. Don't waste your time with the birds and bees. She wouldn't listen to me. I tried all night. 3 shades of red, she's got her brain to spare. I can't be excited about this anymore. Oh, I'm running down the wall, trying to paint midnight. Oh, anytime she calls, wrecking ball. Technicolor red, she drove Maserati. You said I was a bore. Drove Maserati, the place for racing cars. Did not hold you, baby, did not let you cry, shed your tears. She wouldn't listen to me again, I told you before. Held me on the wall, I cried all night. Mrs. Eggpot, she's got her brain to spare, and I can't be excited by this anymore. 3 shades of red, or blue, I can count them on my fingers.